ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin.
Kumusta ka na?
Walang ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin.
Kumusta ka na?
Sa loob-loob ko, hindi ako mapanatag na simula nung Lunes, ang ipinapakita natin ay para bang walang nangyari.
Parang walang nangyari. Yan po ang statement ng ating butihing Senadora Risa Hontiveros.
Siguro po para sa inyong mga wala dito. Pero para sa amin na nandito, napakaraming nangyari.
Kasi nga, nag-barrio fiesta sila doon, na masaya naman sila. Hindi naman natin mahuhusga yung mga natakot sa barilan at sumama ang loob dahil hindi kinumusta. Kumusta ka na?
Para bang walang nangyari.
Siguro po para sa inyong mga wala dito. Pero para sa amin na nandito, napakaraming nangyari.
Nag-barrio fiesta sila doon.
I reserve my right to make the proper interventions at the time that the Senate President and our other colleagues agree upon. But I just want to make this quick statement. Parang walang nangyari.
Matapos ang habulan at barilan dito sa Senado. Sa loob-loob ko, hindi ako mapanatag na simula nung Lunes, ang ipinapakita natin ay para bang walang nangyari. Na para bang hindi nabastos ang ating institusyon.
Yan po ang statement ng ating butihing Senadora Risa Hontiveros.
Siguro po para sa inyong mga wala dito. Pero para sa amin na nandito, napakaraming nangyari.
Nag-barrio fiesta sila doon.
Takot na takot po ako na kailangan ko na magpaalam sa mga anak ko. At yung staff ko, 2 pintuan ang pagitan ko sa putukan. Yung staff ko na si Claire, na 20 years na sa akin, nandun siya sa labas. She has a 12-year-old son. Kinuwento niya sa akin late na tumatakbo siya, hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta. Kaya para sabihin niyo na walang nangyari.
Na masaya naman sila.
Napakasakit para sa aming lahat na nandito. And as I said, 2 pintuan na nagpo-protect sa akin sa putukan. Pero yung media, yung Senate staff, yung hindi naman makauwi dahil sila ang security, sila ang elevator, women and boys natin, nandoon po sila. So dear colleagues, napakarami nang nangyari.
Nag-barrio fiesta sila doon.
And one more thing, wala ho akong sinisisi. Pero nung pagkatapos ng lahat, pagtingin ko ng group natin, yung dating majority group, walang ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin.
Kumusta ka na?
Some of you I've known for 20 years, 10 years, and I didn't even hear any of you say, kumusta na kayo dyan? Napakasakit mo sa akin. Sobrang sakit. So yun lang ang masasabi ko. Yes, I am very ready to share my story, to ask questions. Pero kung wala ho kayo dito, huwag niyong questionin yung mga nangyari sa mga nandito. Dahil nandito kami, kasama ng staff. Staff namin, Senate staff. You have your own story. I respect that. But please respect my own story. Thank you, Mr. President.
I empathize with the experiences and the feelings expressed. What I clearly stated at the context of na parang walang nangyari. I'm talking about ngayon, after those terrible events.
I'm just not telling you everything that we have to deal with now to make sure that there's no bombs in the area, making sure that there's no miscommunication between the executive, legislative, judiciary, and the international community.
Hello, good evening sa lahat. Kamusta na po kayong lahat? So, balita ko, trending na daw po ang kamusta ka. Kaya akong tatanong sa bawat isa sa inyo, kamusta ka? You know guys, we are all social beings. And the nature of being a human is social connections. So, sabihin niyo sa akin kung masaya kayong nag-iisa parati or kahit na mag-isa kayo, may mga gusto sa inyo. Kung may pinagdadaanan kayo, may mga gusto sa inyo. Kung may, for example, may loved one, may sakit. Okay ba sa inyo na kinakamusta kayo ng mga friends nyo, family mo, how are you coping with your challenges, may exam, may problema sa asawa. Di ba, pagka alam ng mga kaibigan mo yun na may pinagdadaanan ka, okay sa inyo, kinakamusta kayo. Tell me about it. Tell me how you feel about your friends and family checking on you. Kasi po, mamaya check ko yung comments kasi phone ko yung ginagamit ko pang Facebook Live. Pero hirapin ko yung phone ng kasama ko para mabasa ko yung comments nyo. Mabasahin ko. So feel free kung gusto nyo magkwento kung kamusta ka na and what matters to you when you're going through something. So, ba't ba na-trending kung kamusta ka? Kasi po, nung nandun ako sa Senate, nabanggit ko na wala man lang nangamusta sa amin. Nagputukan na at feeling namin, may barilan na nagganap all over us. And that's just not me, but also our staff, the Senate employees, media. Nangyari po yung event na yun, around 8 o'clock. Nung mag-aalis 10 na, tapos na. Mag-aalis 10 na po yun, mga 9:45, 9:50, if I'm not mistaken. Medyo umalma na kami kasi wala na po naman, tsaka na-clear na po yun, na-clear na yung area. Sabi ko dun sa mga kasama ko, including Senator Camille Villar, sabi ko, uy, alam ba ng mga kasamahan natin kung ano nangyari dito, yung mga wala dito? Alam ba nila? May message ba sila sa GC natin? Tapos tinignan ni Camille, sabi niya wala. Sabi ko, ha? Hindi ba lang nila tayo kinamusta? So sabi ko, Camille, lagay mo dyan. ICYMI, buhay pa po kami. And nilagay ni Camille, hi, we're okay. Tapos sa kami nag-comment na, stay safe, gano'n. So, syempre at the time na, yun nga, putukan lahat. Tapos nung namahimik na, kasi ako in touch ako sa loved ones ko. Panin-text sila, how are you, brother ko, mami ko, mga anak ko. So syempre, yung mga mismo kasama namin yun, expected ko din na kamustahin nila kami, di ba? Normal yun. Anyway, so nung wala nga, at si Camille lang nagsabi, okay kami dito, so sila. So, when I delivered my speech at sinabi kong wala man lang kamusta, I want you all to know na after my speech, ang dami sa kanila lumapit sa akin. Kasi friends po talaga kami. Imagine yung magkakaklase kayo. Debate kami, minsan nag-aaway kami because of work. But a lot of us have been friends and I really appreciate you guys who approached me. You know, nag-show kayo ng concern sa akin. And sinabi nyo nga na nag-alala kayo sa akin. I appreciate it. And you know what guys, wala na sa akin to. Gano'n naman ako eh. Wala naman ako mapapala na ikasama ng loob ko. So thank you to my colleagues na nag-show ng concern. I love these guys. I do. Pero meron din talaga hindi mo lumapit. Wala talagang balak kung kamustahin. So gano'n talaga buhay. And I think I've reached a point in my life na I try to control what I can control. And yung hindi ko makontrol, bahala na kayo. So, that, I guess, is some life lessons I want to share with all of you. It's important that we surround ourselves with people who we can trust, with people who we know care about us. And if there are misunderstandings, sabihin nyo. That's why ako, sinabi ko na ito yung feeling ko. And sure enough, marami sa kanilang lumapit sa akin, okay na kami. Ganun talaga yun. So move on na. So much work to do, right? But I wanna take advantage of this trending kamusta ka? I ask each one of you, kamusta ka? You know, I'm a fan of psychology. Nung college ko ako, hindi ako natuloy mag-psychology kasi naging economics yung course ko. But I study on my own, I read a lot. Siyempre, I'm a mother. A lot of mothers somehow are psychologists na rin kasi kailangan alagaan mo yung anak mo, kailangan mag-adjust kung ano yung needs ng anak mo. And I have to say, it's so important that your loved ones know that you're there for them. And ikaw din, if for whatever reason you feel that wala sila doon para sa'yo, huwag mo din. Ilabas mo, sabihin mo. For example, birthday mo, nakalimutan. And you have the right to say na, uy, birthday mo, kinalimutan mo, nagtampo naman ako sa'yo. And then move on ka na. Kasi wala naman kang mapapala na bit-bit mo yun the whole time, di ba? Yun naman yung importante. There is nothing wrong experiencing different emotions. We're human beings. Hindi ka na tao kung hindi ka nakakaramdam. Di ba? Yung nakikita niyo ako, it's either masaya ako or galit ako. So nakita niyo naman ako na ang sama ng loob. You see me express my feelings as somebody who was scared, who was, sa English, masama ang loob. I felt bad because I'm human. But more importantly for me is you're able to move on. As an athlete, and yeah, very proud to be an athlete. I've learned so many life lessons being an athlete. Sabi nga nila, it's not about nag-fail ka. It's how you moved on after. So, masama mo, how do you move on? So, yun ang importante. So, and I think it's time na, basahin ko naman yung mga comments nyo. Magsasalamin po ako kasi malabo na mata ko, I cannot read kung walang salamin. So, kaya magbabasa ako ng mga gustong mag-comment ng gusto nyong ikwento na yung mga experience nyo in what sense na nakaramdam kayo ng support from your loved ones and nakatanggap kayo ng the kind of support that you need to hear from people who are important to you. So, mapati din ako na kay John Evan, hello, of course, si Mike Maroto, nanonood, o belated happy birthday. And, may nagsasabi na, ay, ano ba to? Sorry na wala. Hello, Queen, thank you sa mga bati nyo. Sabi ni Jen, she understands and she hears. Alam nyo guys, yung question ko is very simple and I guess if hindi kayo comfortable mag-share, that's really fine. But even if you just say, you understand, napagdaanan nyo yun, kasi it's impossible na yung mga nanonood sa akin, hindi nyo naiintindihan na at different times in our lives, we need our loved ones. As a child, you need your mother, you need your father, di ba? Kaya ang daming mga issues kasi hindi nila na-feel yung mga ganung support na kailangan nila. Oh, and speaking of support, parents, for those parents listening to me, I came across a very interesting article na sabi, children who live in loving homes grow up to be very secure, they grow up to have good decision-making skills, they grow up to have good communication skills, interpersonal skills, kaya isang aspeto yan na maganda din ang environment ng mga anak natin. Well, on that note, we all have our own experiences, good and bad within the family. So walang perfect, di ba? Kasi sabi ka namin perfect, but I'm just saying, the more support you have, whether it's in your family or in your community, the more you can function the more na ma-reach mo yung, you can reach your full potential. That's what I'm trying to say. So, ang sobrang daming comment na ko na malaman kung uunahin ko. Thank you, RR. Yes, pray lang po tayo parati kasi importante talaga na we have that sense of I guess the word is also support from a higher being, and so praying is also gives us a lot of the support na we also need to have in our lives. And grateful po kami magkakapatid, family namin na napalaki po kami gano'n. So, God bless you then, Mar, and Ino, and Clavel, and ay sabi ni Zer, mahina ang audio. Sorry, wala kasi akong mic ngayon. Sorry about that. Hindi ko kasi nakatikit yung mic parati sa akin. So, minsan wala talaga akong mic. Pero I will try, nalakasan yung boses ko. Kasi conversational lang kaya hi Seb, and Jensan, and good evening din sa'yo, Baite, Marcos, kamusta? I'm good, I'm fine, thank you. Sobrang daming comments, grabe. Yes, Teresa, it's very important na strong tayo and we trust in the Lord. But again, we're only human, di ba? We cannot be strong all the time. There are really times na weak tayo or we need to gather strength from our loved ones. The other thing na importante talagang i-emphasize ko dito sa kwentuhang kamustahan is huwag niyong i-bottle up yung feelings nyo. Because, I mean, at my age, ang dami ko nang napagdaanan, it's important that you acknowledge your feelings. Sabi nga nila, some people go through things in life na either very strong feelings of pain, kasi namatayan sila, or frustration or feeling of walang pag-asa. It is okay to have those feelings, pero our feelings do not define who we are. Pwedeng noted lang yung feelings na yun, and then we move on. I'll give an example again as an athlete, kasi yun ang marami akong nababase. Let's say athlete ka, tapos natalo ka, tapos dibig mo yun, natalo ako, loser ako, gano'n. You can't, it's hard to rise above it, because you don't wanna, kinakapitan ng feelings. And remember, feelings are just feelings. And when you look at champion mindsets, sila po yung na-acknowledge nila, yung pinagdaanan nila, and then they're able to move on. Yun po ang champion mindset. So, yun yung gusto ko din i-share sa inyo. Yes, we need to be proud of each other, of what we are able to accomplish. Tama yan. And, thank you, Anjali. Hello, kamusta ka dyan sa Saudi? Kay Rig. Hello, Rig. And si Jem naman, of course, yes, we should always pray for wisdom and protection. Always, always. Pray for each other. And God bless you then, Nelly. God bless you. And si Dean din, thank you. Grabe naman yung feeling na ang dami nagdadasal sa inyo. And I want you to know na I'm also always praying for our country. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, di ba, pray for your enemies. So, you know, even different times of my life, ang hirap ipagdasal yung isang tao na hindi kayo nagkakasundo. Pero pwede mo ipasa Diyos yun eh. Pwede mo ipasa Diyos yun na, Lord, bahala ka na sa mga nangyayari. Bahala ka na sa isang tao. Malay mo, next time, yung isang tao kagaling mo, maging kaibigan mo, di ba? So, always pray, always pray. Sabi nga ni Mary Jane, it's okay to feel overwhelmed. Totoo yan. I can honestly say I felt overwhelmed. Mabibilang ko sa kamay ko yung times na nangyari yun, pero nangyayari yun. Kasi, like I said, normal yun. Yung mga madaling mag-criticize na bakit ganun yung feelings ng ibang tao o yung feelings ko, bakit hindi kayo tao, di ba? Kasi siguro naman, mas gusto nyo na maayos taong kausap nyo kaysa sa AI, di ba? O yung nagkukunyari. At least ako, makatotoo ko. Yun lang naman yung kayang pakita sa inyo, yung totoo lang. Thank you din, Maria Fe, and kay Elsie, kay Althea, Luisito, kay Tisay. Yeah, so anyway, sa dami ng mga kamusta, again, uulitin ko, take time to ask yourselves, kamusta ka? Ask yourself. And if there's something in your life na gusto nyo ayusin, maybe you can reach out to somebody who can help you, or maybe okay kayo, pero may ibang tao naman na kailangan yung kamustahin. Diba? Why not? Why not? You know, every day I pray, I say to God, thank you for all the blessings. Please, put in my path somebody whose life I can touch today. So, whether sa kwentuhan natin na to, na kinamusta kita, you would know na, you know, there's always hope. Or, because I'm praying for all of you, you bump into somebody who will actually give you hope. That's my purpose for having this conversation. Reach out, guys. And this, one more thing I want to end with this. Sabi nila, the more na whatever negative feelings you have, you know what you do? You reverse it. Mag-reach out ka to somebody else. Do something for somebody else. Kasi I swear, ilang beses na nangyari sa akin yun. Gumaan yung pakiramdam ko. Kasi imbis na nakafocus ako dun sa dinadamdam ko, parang gumaan yung loob ko na gumaan loob ko, tsaka nawala sa immediate na pananaw ko yung sarili kong mga iniisip. Napafocus ako dun sa ibang tao. So, yun lang din ang advice ko sa inyo. Dun sa show namin with Tito Boy Abunda sa CIA with BA, ganun talaga yung joy na nararamdaman namin whenever we have a show. Because we're able to reach out to other people who need to hear us, need to be encouraged, need to have a little bit of hope. So, yun, sige. So, God bless you all and maraming salamat din, Megan, Vince, God bless you, Christian, Tess, and Elaine. So, ang sweet naman itong si Hexid, kamusta? Okay naman. Kayo din, ha? And don't forget, ha, if you have loved ones na may pinagdadaanan, pwedeng pagkamusta nyo ngayon, okay yun. Then pwedeng the next day, hindi. So, kung mahal nyo yung taong yun, just be there for that person. You don't always have to be physically present, but in different ways, you can reach out and show people that you care for them. So, gamitin natin sa maganda itong trending na kamusta ka, di ba? Let's make it positive. No matter what the negativity is, you can rest assured, I will always, hindi ko ako umabot ng ganitong edad para lang maging negative. Hindi mo mahanap sa akin yan. I have down days where maiksi yung patience ko, or madali akong ma-frustrate, so mamano. But generally, I always am positive. I always look for the best scenario. So, yung mga nega dito, huwag na kayong mag-amala. Kasi, hindi ko lang binabasa yung comments nyo eh. So, you're just wasting your time. But for those who want a safe space where we can be positive for the sake of our community, our country, I'm with you. We're on the same page. So, yun lang, guys. Maghapunan na. Yung mga nasa ibang bansa natin, mga kamag-anak, stay safe. If you live in Europe, siguro mga tanghali na ngayon. If you live naman in the US, umaga o madaling araw, iba-iba. Yung mga nasa Middle East, yun, medyo nanangalian na siguro kayo, guys. Stay safe. Reach out to a loved ones. Kahit isa lang. Let them know kamustahin nyo. Let them know that you care. God bless you all.